Make a great choice today with the 2014 ELR. The Cadillac ELR is a luxury coupe hybrid that is sure to turn heads. The sleek exterior design is matched only by the upscale interior quality. In addition to the beautiful interior and exterior features, it also provides you with the efficiency you'd expect from a hybrid vehicle and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Each certified pre-owned Cadillac comes with a full assurance that it meets Cadillac's rigorous standards. With additional warranty coverage, 24-hour roadside assistance, and courtesy transportation, your certified pre-owned vehicle will provide you peace of mind. With Cadillac certified pre-owned vehicles, the car's past becomes irrelevant. What matters is your future. Ask your dealer for more details.